everybody, Larry here with MarineMax in Jacksonville. Today we're going to take a little walkthrough of this 2026 Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. This is an incredible boat, extremely capable offshore, lots of creature comforts and fishing amenities as well. We're going to start here with the power plant. This boat is powered by triple Mercury 400 V10 Verados with joystick piloting and incorporates electric steering, digital shift. It's extremely nimble and super easy to maneuver. In the cockpit area where I'm standing right now, we've got a nice bench seat that's super comfortable, that tucks away for when we're fishing. We've got a prep station here, little entertainment table that flips over and gives us two awesome aft facing seats. Very comfortable when you're at the sandbar or if you're out trolling. Great place to sit and watch your lines. We've got rod holders everywhere in the gunnel, rocket launchers up on the T-top. This boat has Gemlux outriggers as well. Of course, you've got freshwater and raw water washdowns, two in-floor fish boxes to keep your 120 plus pound wahoo nice and cold. And we're going to take a little walk through up to the bow and the helm area to see some of the other neat features. Let's check out the helm here real quick on the way. We've got seating for three across. Nice teak accents on the armrest, flip up bolsters, and a helm station that's very ergonomic. You've got your joystick control right here, twin Simrad displays with electronic switching, some manual redundant switches as well. This boat's got a 4-foot open array halo radar, VHF radio with an additional remote, and it's got a great field of vision, easy to see over the bow, and even has a platform if you want to stand up a little taller. You'll get up about another half a foot, be able to see weed lines in the distance, give you a little bit better visibility as well. Let's take a look at the bow area, where we've got something that's really unique to the Outrage series, this huge sunpad lounger with cup holders, USB ports for your cell phones, and even storage underneath. We got our shore power cords, teak table that goes up here at the bow, table bases, plenty of storage for all your gear. We've got some forward seating up here with backrests that drop down. And of course you've got insulated storage / fish box in here, or just dry storage. More down below in the forward deck. Cavernous storage down there. That is also fully insulated if you want to use that as an additional fish box. We've also got a bow shade that comes out off the front. We've got an electric shade that hits the T-top in the back to cover the rear cockpit. Come and see this boat today. It won't last long. I'm Larry at MarineMax in Jacksonville. You can reach me at 904-545-5310 and set up a sea trial on this boat today.